Hey there, fellow Patriot. My name is John. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what you get from the VIP Survival Academy and why I know you're going to love it. Today we're going to ship you our free welcome gift, which entitles you to full unrestricted access for free for 14 days. So after you claim your free gift today, we'll direct you to our members area where you can download all our past newsletters. You're going to learn all the military-inspired survival techniques so that you and your loved ones can survive through just about anything. Natural disasters, terrorist attacks, or getting lost in the woods will no longer be a fear for you because we give you a plan of action. Our training will give you the confidence and the skills to get through these disasters with military precision. Our self-defense training is backed by years of actual on-site training. We have some of the most skilled fighters in the world to take you by the hand and show you how to take out an attacker. Violence is the last resort, but sometimes necessary to protect yourself and your loved ones. Not only are you going to upskill your hand-to-hand combat, but you're also going to learn a ton of valuable information about firearms that just may save your life one day. Then you're going to be trained on disaster prepping. Now this isn't crazy doomsday tinfoil hat end of the world. This is real world prepping everyday Americans that want to protect their family if the unthinkable were to happen. Unfortunately, natural disasters and terrorist attacks are happening far too often, and we want you to be 100% ready for whatever may come your way. You're going to learn all of this and so much more from the VIP Survival Academy. You have free access to all of this when you claim your free gift today. That's not all what we have for you though, not by a long shot. We have teamed up with Ape Survival to give you a massive 50% off everything at their survival store. As a VSA member, you'll get 50% off items in their store, like gun holsters, backpacks, flashlights, firearm sights, and heaps of other gear. Hell, we'll even ship you the newest survival gear for free as part of our product testing program. We ship out free items like knives, various multi-tools, shooting targets, and lots of other cool gear. There's so much more to this amazing membership, and I'm truly proud to be a part of it. I'm a proud American patriot, an honest family man, and I'll do my absolute best to make sure you love our membership or you don't pay a cent. It's as simple as that. In fact, within 14 days, you can access all of our content, take advantage of our 50% off survival store discount, and even claim other free gear as a product tester. And if you feel like it, you can still cancel your membership before you even pay a cent. But you know what? I'm not worried about being taken advantage of. I just know that after you log in and see for yourself what we offer, you're going to become a raving fan. And speaking of raving fans, here's what some of our awesome members are saying about VSA.
Hey, my VIP fam, it's Michael here, and I just want to say a huge thank you for the free gear you sent my way. I really appreciate it, and the 3-day delivery is damn impressive too. I signed up last week and you've got me hooked. I look forward to being a long-time member, and I've actually signed up a few of my buddies as well. So keep up the killer job, you guys rock.
Big shout out to the guys over at VIP Survival Academy. You guys absolutely rock. I've been part of the team for over 2 years now, and I honestly love the monthly survival newsletters you guys send out. I'm a family man, and protecting them from the dangers of this modern world we live in is number one. As a family, we have learned some killer self-defense techniques. The 2-second knockout training guide was truly amazing, and that training alone is well worth over $100. But there's so much more that I love about VSA. If you're watching this right now and you're not sure if you should try it, take it from me, it is totally badass. You're gonna become a better fighter, a better survivalist, and a better family man, just like I have.
Hi, I'm Jenny from Florida. I became a member of VSA 5 months ago. Love the survival and defense tips, and I really love the free gear that you sent me. You go above and beyond, and I urge anybody to get in there and take a look for yourself.
These are just few of the comments we received from thousands of members right across America currently enjoying the benefits of the VSA, and I want you to be part of the team. Claim your free welcome gift right now. Don't wait until tomorrow or next week. Do it right now while you're still on this page, because our stock may run out at any moment, which means we'll need to pull down the offer and you'll miss out on your free sign-up gift. Remember, today you don't pay a cent for your membership. You get full unrestricted access for free for a full 14 days. Plus, if you want to cancel, we make that easy too with a 2-click cancel system. You can always manage your membership by calling our support team or sending us an email. At the end of the day, we want to give you a massive value. And if you don't see that value, we make it easy for you to unsubscribe at any moment. You're absolutely not locked into any contract whatsoever. Well, that's it for me. After you claim your free gift, I'll speak to you again on the inside or walk you through some of the most popular parts of the VSA membership. So go ahead, get your free gift right now, and I'll see you on the inside.